how to make Jamaican snapper fish rundown in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple.
Coming from, you don't remember where you're coming from, you don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now my goodie, this is one of the requested recipe that you guys have been asking in like forever. How to make Jamaican snapper fish rundown with okra and crackers and shrimp. I'm going to show you how I do mine in my kitchen. You ready for the ride? Let's go. Well, okay goodies, let's get right into the recipe, and remember to subscribe, turn your notification settings on so you will be aware of when I upload a next video. Now this is a requested recipe and I'm going to jump right into it. I have two snapper right there. Nice size snapper. You're going to need some jumbo shrimp as well. They were nicely cleaned with lemon juice and vinegar. And what I did was cut the fish right here on both sides. You want to make sure you clean your fish really good from the inside out. You want to also make sure that you devein your shrimp as well. Make sure everything nice and clean. Now, the first thing I'm going to get this recipe started is add black pepper and salt to it. You want to turn your fish over on the other side. Mix up your shrimp and put some more of that goodness on, as well as you do the inside. And your fish is ready, so you sit that aside. In addition to that, you're going to need all these for your recipe to turn up loud in your kitchen. Salt, seafood season, lots and lots of garlic, right there, so onion powder, black pepper, and pimento seed. In addition to that, you need your okra, right there, so, and that is cooked okra. I cut it up in bite sizes and that was ready. Also, you're going to need a cup and a half of coconut milk. Totals 1 can of coconut cream, right there, so. And that you're gonna need to make the meanest rundown snapper fish in your kitchen ever. You are going to need bell peppers, baby, of course. Red of my choice, skeleton and thyme, lemon right there. You're gonna need some fresh ginger, tomato, yes, onion, large one preferred, and hot scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna have a scotch bonnet butter pepper. I use. Yes, baby, a rundown. We're talking about to turn it up a Jamaican kind of level. You need the Excelsior water crackers right there, so. Of course, you need butter because butter makes everything better. You're going to need your coconut oil. You could use any other oil, but the coconut oil may go because you want to have a different kind of flavor, right? To start off the dish. Of course, I'm going to be adding my apple cider vinegar. Yes, we can't do without it. Let's cook, man. Now, let's cook because I'm about to put a smile in the pot, the face. I'm going to add my coconut oil to that. Then my butter. And my garlic. Then we're going to add that ginger. Now we're going to add those shrimp in. with your same pot and all that goodness way of leftover from the shrimp, you're gonna need all of that. Add all your vegetables in, just like that. Your pimento seed, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Seafood seasoning, yes honey. Now you're gonna add your coconut milk or your coconut cream, however you choose to call it, right on top of that goodness. And allow that to cook for about 10 minutes. And you come right back yourself. Now, while my rundown is going on the fire, I'm going to get my fish ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up that fish, and I'm going to put a couple of those shrimp that you made earlier and just close them up. You could put whatever you want to put. I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 of them in there. Just like that. Close it up. So now it's been 10 minutes and the rundown gravy are going with pure things over there, so they're gonna make it even more happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my fish in here. Then we're gonna put our okra all over that goodness like that. Yes, yes, yes. That looks so good. Now for my crackers, I'm just going to put them around the side of the pan, just like that. Because I don't want them to soak up too much of the gravy. Just want them to be perfect. Now we're going to add our vinegar. Yes, love. And my lemon juice. Going to get some of that shrimp on top of that. And look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna give that about 10 minutes. That's all I need because I don't want my fish softy. I'll cover it up for about 10 minutes, and when I come back, my snapper fish ready. Now, after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, no more than that. Look there, all done. How to make Jamaican snapper fish rundown in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Okay, goodie, another one that you have requested. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoy cooking it. Be sure to subscribe, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.